Hey guys, welcome back to the Snup Fam. Please like and subscribe. So today's video is going to be the snowstorm tomorrow, guys. So you guys might know that there's a snowstorm tomorrow. So I'm warning all of you guys, if you live in the northeast, if you live in the northeast for the next if you live in the northeast, you're going to get a huge snowstorm tomorrow, Snup Fam. So these are some ideas that I'm warning you guys to expect when the snowstorm comes. So Snup Fam, first thing, when you're in the snow, make sure not to, when you open, if your house is down low, like if you don't have stairs to your house, you can't open the door because you're gonna get snow. Because you can't open the door because you have snow there, Snup Fam. And Snup Fam, if you, what was I gonna say? And Snup Fam, if you have stairs to get to your front door to your house, you're good. But just get ready to jump into the snow, Snup Fam. Alright, so what else? Oh, I'm warning you guys won't be able to drive your cars in the snow because it's gonna be bad. You guys cannot drive in the snow that tall. So if you have a plow come down your street, that's good, Snup Fam. Good luck for you guys. So yeah, pretty much that's it. And Snup Fam, it's going to be very windy out, Snup Fam. It's very cold out, Snup Fam. Snup Fam, that's the end of today. Alright, Snup Fam, I just got to show you what it looks like outside. When that says 3:14, that you guys are done looking outside. Alright? See? Alright, Snup Fam, I just gotta leave you there for a while. Alright, Snup Fam, just sit there, guys. Alright, guys, please like and subscribe. That's the end of today's video. And peace, please like and subscribe. 3, 2, 1.